Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to study with flashcards in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want a smarter way to study in Goodnotes? Flashcards are one of the best tools for memorization, and you can use them directly inside the app, and here's how to get started. Now before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application Goodnotes. You're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Then you're gonna look for the application Goodnotes. Once you find it, you're gonna click on it and make sure to click on install. And once the installation is complete, you're gonna open the application. Now from the application, you're gonna make sure to log in using your account's credentials, either Google or another account. Then you're gonna open Goodnotes and create a notebook. For example, you're gonna click on the plus new button and select notebook from this option, from this drop down menu. Now, more detail is that the Goodnotes require a premium subscription in order to open more than 3 notebooks. So if you want to open a lot of notebooks, you have to buy the premium version and also use AI features, etc. Now let's go back to our topic. After that, you're gonna make sure to open new notebook and write your question on side of the page. For example, how fast are cars? Or how fast is the Porsche exactly? How fast is the Bugatti? Let's switch. Then you're gonna flip here, and you can also write the answer on the other side or below. This means you're gonna scroll to the second page and you're gonna write the answer. You can also use dedicated flashcard templates if available. You can review your flashcards by covering the answers and testing yourself, and repeat regularly to improve the memory. You'll keep questions short and clear, and use colors or highlights for key infos. And also, flashcards in Goodnotes make studying active and effective. Use them daily and you will remember more in less than time. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.